guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today something again absolutely delicious, Mediterranean, easy to do, and always al bacio. I'm going to make stuffed pepper. We need peppers. I choose red peppers, but you can choose any peppers you like. We need some oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We are not master chef, Mikey. We cook very well. And al bacio for our family. Cut this. This is one way, but you can cut any way you like. Chop it in half. Take this white thing. Take your time. It's very, very nice. These they very good when they are warm, but I love them even when they cold. Just put in tray like this. I can show you another way to cut. You can do this. You can cut with this green, you know, it's just up to you. And later, you do this. Up to you. Anyway, important you get rid of it, okay? Okay, cut your peppers and I'll show you the next. Salt, black pepper if you like, garlic powder, a little touch, olive oil, brush, you can do, and now guys, this go in the oven 200 degrees 20-25 minutes, okay? Okay guys, my peppers they are in the oven. Now we prepare the mix. This is my way, but you can put inside what you want. You can put meat, the mince, you can put rice, you can put everything you like, okay? This is quite my way. It's Piero's stuffed peppers. Okay, I use like around 200 grams of breadcrumb, some chopped tomato. I chop fresh tomato. It's 200 grams of tomato. Cut small you can, you see, something like that. It's 100 grams of Parmesan. I'm gonna use 2 garlic. It's 100 grams of anchovies, 60 grams of capers. I have some oregano, some fresh mint, fresh parsley. I put tomato inside, the capers, the parsley we can put inside, Parmesan. I start with half, okay? Some breadcrumb. I give a little mix like this. Already is nice, guys. Look at that. Okay? The small you can. Spread around here. Some garlic. Salt. Not too much because the anchovies they salty. Pepper. Oil. And mix again. It's quite light and delicious. Now when the peppers are ready, we're gonna stuff it, okay? 25 minutes 200 degrees. Take out from the oven and we start stuff with this, okay? Let's put inside. This is something summertime, you know, when you have a friend, you serve this cold, they're very nice. Some oregano on the top, the rest, the Parmesan, another touch of salt, oil again, just on the top, like this. This going again in the oven for another 12 to 15 minutes. See you later. Okay guys, my beautiful stuffed pepper. They saw. Basically I cooked this when I stuffed it. I put 15 minutes 200 degree, 5 minutes just to grill. Okay? And now leave them to cool down and try. Enjoy. Absolutely stunning. Look, nice, crunchy, and always guys, this is my red pepper stuffed, Piero's red pepper stuffed. Always guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.